package to build or make SBOMs. And I think that's where the line is, like from tinkering of softwares, we go to professional softwares where Yocto comes into the picture. So apparently Buildroot does not have that.
Which, I mean, that's my understanding as well, in terms of you can do it with Buildroot, but you would have to write your own tools.
Package.
I would imagine somebody would somewhere, but it isn't as easy as just go and
one
give
line
me
of code and done.
my
Yeah,
SBOM.
true.
So I'm going to talk now about how we do it in Yocto, because that's what I play with, it's what I enjoy. And in the same way as with Zach was saying with Zephyr, it is a one-line thing. So within Yocto, we have a create SPDX BB class. And from there, making use of that class, we can therefore create a complete SBOM. All we need to do is within a configuration file, typically our local.conf, we can do an inherit plus equals create SPDX. When you do that, then it will create an individual SBOM for every single package and recipe that is included within your image. So here is an extract of the Blues5 SPDX JSON file. So this is how you can now go through that recursive walking the actual dependency tree and then create the interdependency graph of being able to say, right, so I've got an external document that makes use of this bit, which comes out of that bit, which comes out of the other.